सनद बिल्डर्स and developers. घर स्वप्ना पलीकडचे. Flat prices starting at just 14.5 lakh near Dodamarg Court, 800 meters from Goa Maharashtra border.
We have just released our manifesto, and our promises are 50% reduction of house tax. House tax in Panjim is very high. We will reduce it by 50% and provide relief to all Panjikars. No signboard tax. Complete waiver of signboard tax for promoting small businesses like pharmacies, small retail shops, milk shops, people who have got signboards of their names. Any signboard where there are company's name will be charged. Free parking. No parking charges for vehicles owned by voters of CCP. We will have an app where on the windscreen we will put a label after they produces the house tax. This starts from Taligaon, Panjim, Donapal, Ribandar area, Altino, Pula Panjim. Any other vehicle like tourist taxis, tourist buses, people coming from outside Panjim, whether from Margam, Mopsa, anybody, they'll be charged. Traffic free Panjim, reducing traffic congestion by utilizing space under Manduvi Bridge and a better traffic management plan. 24/7 bus service. We will run a 24/7 electric public transit service, including a hop-on-hop of bus service to reduce use of polluting vehicles. Clean Panaji. Forming a Clean Panaji task force and taking steps on waste reduction and recycling. Healthy Panaji. Neighborhood clinics that will provide free healthcare and medicine for all. These are our basic promises. The moment we elect, within a month, we will implement this, because whatever we have to implement, we have to call for our corporation meeting. It has been passed in the corporation meeting, and this rectification for the second meeting. Once it is passed in the second meeting, this will be implemented. So we all expect all our media friends to back us, we Panjikars. We have got 4 advocates, 2 engineers, a teacher, RTI activist, and many others. We don't have any rubber stamps who will say get wood boss म्हणून. Those days are gone. 15 years they have done it. Now it's a new team. We appeal to the Panjimites. Please support our panel, Ami Ponjikar. If the people of Panjim want something good in the coming days. Thank you very much.
प्रश्न असा
I'm a congressman, he's AAP man, he's a BJP man, she's a BJP, there's AAP, he is AAP. We all, see,
we have come together.
we all come together. Different parties, we have joined together under the banner We Panjikar.
Party, can you name the parties?
We have all come together under one banner, We Panjikar. There is no confusion of anything. We want to save Panjim. We want to have a better quality life for Panjimites.
Because what I asked you, why I asked you, because yesterday your president, Girish Choronka, has named the ex-BJP workers who have joined your panel. He is not going to support them.
I am not aware of this. That you ask him.
He only told.
No, I am not aware of this thing, because we have
You are
got.
not in contact with the
We have got. See, I have already spoken to my leadership and said, these elections, civics elections, are not to be fought in party lines. It has to be public oriented. And based on that, I spoke to my other colleagues who are sitting here, and we formed the V Ponjekar.
The president
I am telling you, the moment this panel wins, this wind will go throughout Goa. Trust us, believe us. No party lines should be fought in any municipal elections. Then only people will get good governance. Thank you.
So what he is doing is wrong.
I don't let you ask.
बेळगाव सारखी शॉपिंग आता गोंयांत शक्य फक्त बॉम्बे बाजारांत. बॉम्बे बाजार घेऊन आयला तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो साड्यो, लग्न समारंभ आणि वेगवेगळ्या सुवाळ्या खातीर खास साड्यो. त्याच बरोबर गिफ्ट करपाक 300 रुपयांच्यान साड्यो, सिल्क साडी 900 रुपयांच्यान सुरवात आणि लेहंगा 3000च्या रेंजी पासून सुरवात. शिलाई आणि एम्ब्रॉयडरीची खास सोय. तर आयजूच भेट दियात बॉम्बे बाजार, 18 जून रोड, पणजी. प्राचीन आणि कलात्मक वस्तूंचो खजिनो जे तुमच्या घरात घरपण हाडटले. देवी देवतांच्यो मूर्त्यो असो किंवा पूजेचे सामान, शोपीस असो किंवा तरेकवार प्रकारच्यो शोभेच्यो वस्तू, गिफ्ट करात किंवा स्वतःचे घर सजयात. आमचे डिझायनर शॉल आणि हँडीक्राफ्ट पळोवपाक मुजरत यात. आमचो पत्तो बॉम्बे बाजार, डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर, 18 जून रोड, पणजी.
Handicraft shopping only at Bombay Bazaar.